Welcome fam, Coach Nate here. If you sit for long hours or you woke up feeling stiff or even just achy and some nagging pain, this 5-minute stretch routine is exactly what you need. Today's session is designed to loosen up your hamstrings, hips and lower back, improve flexibility and posture, wake up your body and energize your day. Well, you might wonder, who's this routine designed for? And I'll say it straight in your face. If you sit all day and want to feel loose and pain-free, this routine is for you. If you work out and need to recover and improve mobility, this routine is for you. If you want to start your day feeling strong and flexible, this routine is for you. No equipment is needed, just your mat, your breath, and your focus. We're starting with a deep hamstring release, then unlocking the hips and lower back before finishing with game-changing hip openers. By the end of the session, your body will feel open, mobile, and ready for anything. And if you sit at a desk for long hours, I've got something special for you. Make sure you stick through to the end because I promise you won't want to miss out. Let's hit the mat. We're starting with a classic stretch to open up the hamstrings and spine. Sit with your legs extended straight in front of you. Hinge from the hips and reach towards your toes. Keep your back long and not rounded. Hold for 1 minute, breathing deeply. This relieves lower back tension, stretches the hamstrings, and promotes circulation. Beginners, keep a slight bend in your knees. Advanced stretches, grab your feet and gently pull yourself deeper. Struggling to touch your toes? Don't worry, the next move will help. Let's take the stretch one leg at a time for an even deeper release. This stretch targets the hip flexors and lower back, preparing your body for deeper mobility. Sit tall and bring your right knee to your chest. Wrap your arms around your knee and hug it close. Keep your back straight and engage your core. Hold for 30 seconds, feeling the stretch in your hip and glutes. This stretch loosens the hip joint, reduces stiffness, and improves spinal mobility. Beginners, keep your left leg bent for support. Advanced stretches, try to straighten the left leg for a deeper hip stretch. Think one side is tight, wait until we even it out. Now, let's balance things out with the left side. We're releasing tightness in the left hip now to stay balanced. Bring your left knee to your chest and hug it close. Keep your right leg extended or bent for support. Hold for 30 seconds, breathing into the stretch. Balancing both sides prevents imbalances and supports better posture. Beginners, keep the right leg slightly bent. Advanced stretches, try to straighten your right leg. Your hips are opening up, but can they handle the next stretch? Time for one of the best hip openers. This glute and hip stretch will unlock deep tightness. Lie on your back and cross your right ankle over your left knee. Put your hands through to grab the back of your left thigh and pull towards your chest. Hold for 30 seconds, feeling the stretch in your glutes and hips. The stretch relieves lower back tension and improves hip mobility. Beginners, keep the left foot further away from your hips. Advanced stretches, bring the left knee closer to your chest for a deeper stretch. You'll feel this, but we're not done yet. Let's switch sides. Time to balance out the stretch. We're wrapping up with the left side to keep everything even. Cross your left ankle over your right knee. Keep your right foot flat on the floor. Put your hands through your legs to grab the back of your right thigh and pull towards your chest. Hold for 30 seconds, breathing deeply. This stretches the hips, glutes, and lower back, helping to relieve tension. Beginners keep the right foot further away. Advanced stretches bring the right foot closer. And just like I promised, if you sit at a desk for hours, your body needs more than just this routine. I've got something special for you. Go check out the free desk worker stretching guide. It's packed with morning, midday, evening stretches, desk workouts, and office ergonomic tips. The best moves to stay pain-free all day. It's linked in the description or pinned comment. Go grab it now. Stay strong, flexible, and powerful. I'll see you in the next session. Let's go.